Sales Dashboard Summary. There are 2 critical, 1 warning, and 3 on track. KPI biggest concern, Hoja Blanca Chop Downs has a $215,000 revenue gap, running 24.4% below forecast year to date. This is driven by quality failures, customer returns, and retailers reducing shelf space. This product needs a strategic review. Second critical, market share has dropped from 34% to 29%. Lindsay Olives launched an organic line competing directly with Siviano cups, and Pearls entered the single-serve snack category, where we have no presence. Combined competitor impact is estimated at over $300,000 annually. Forecast accuracy is at 87.2%, pulled down by the 2 underperforming products. On the positive side, year-to-date revenue is $438 million, on track against annual target. 5 new customers have been onboarded, generating $493,000 in revenue, and the Q4 pipeline stands at $1.2 million, with Cisco Fresh as the biggest opportunity. 4 actions required. First, immediately pause Hoja Blanca expansion and begin reformulation. Second, develop a competitive response to Lindsay's organic push. Third, revise the Q4 forecast. Fourth, complete Cisco Fresh onboarding this week. SalesAI agents, moving from sales reporting to autonomous growth decision support.